We're not talking about that. We're not including that, which means trees only in Canada absorb 14 times more than the carbon emission of Canada, and we are made to pay a carbon tax. So tell me again what it is about. Is it about climate change? It's not. If there's no CO2, we are doomed. There cannot be life without CO2. Now let's talk about the US. There are 228 billion trees in the United States, with the capacity to clean 5.47 billion tons of CO2 every year. And the US produces 5 billion tons of CO2, which means the trees only absorb more than carbon emissions in the United States. So what are we talking about? Now let's move a little further. There's an estimate of 3 trillion trees around the world. The worldwide CO2 emission is at 37 billion tons, but the trees around the world absorb 72 billion, almost 73 billion tons of CO2, which means the trees around the world have the capacity to absorb twice as much carbon emission. Wake up. There's no CO2 problem. There's no carbon emission problem. There's no climate change. Wake up, people.